if you need a screwdriver, an automatic screwdriver that has just about every kind of end that you need, Phillips, flathead, and multiple sizes, I highly suggest this Fanttik screwdriver. It comes in this very small, tiny, compact metal case. It's very easy to open. Actually, this is where the USB charger port for it is, USB-C. Then you just press the square part. It pops out. Comes out of the case. This is the actual screwdriver here. And then here are all of the different bits. 50 in all. They're magnetized. So you just pull one out. Stick it in the end. It's in there, and then you have a forward and backwards button here to make this go forward and backwards. And it also has a light, so you can see what you're doing. This has all the different sizes that you need. If there's any job, I don't even worry about if it's fixing my mouse or taking the very tiny screws out of eyeglasses, whatever it is. This has every single end that you would need. I haven't run into anything that this couldn't handle. So 10 out of 10, highly recommended. Hope this helps.